Hi everybody, it's Thomas here, founder and CEO of 3ngage. I just wanted to take some time today to tell you how proud I am of the fact that the European Institute for Innovation and Technology, EIT, and Vertical Manufacturing has decided to take 3ngage under its patronage. That means that they've decided to support 3ngage as a provider of innovative solutions for the European market. And EIT, what they do is basically they serve their corporate members, 50 companies and institutions across Europe, who are looking for innovation and innovative solutions to their challenges. And they also support startups and companies that can provide innovative solutions. So they make matches between the two, and they also help finance pilot projects and innovation research studies. So, and they even go as far as to invest in selected startups. So we are very proud of the fact that the EIT Manufacturing has chosen to support 3ngage. And their explanation of why they think 3ngage is unique and interesting is the fact that we can support a product throughout its whole product lifecycle. From when the product is designed, where we can help measure how well it is designed and how good the interfaces are, to when it's supposed to be sold and introduced to a new market, when we can help explain it to the buyers, we can help train the sales teams and distributors, and then finally helping onboard the new users and operators of the product as they get to grips with how to use the product effectively and safely. So very proud of that. And at the same time, we've decided to launch a new offer for startups, not just the startups supported by EIT Manufacturing, but startups supported by incubators and accelerators everywhere. We want to help these startups to explain their new innovative products to a global market in a very simple and enjoyable way. So door is open for you startups and to everybody else, and all of you out there, have a great weekend. Thank you.